Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an install using this UNice wig. I hope you guys enjoy this install and stay tuned for the end so you guys can see my review on the wig. So sit back and enjoy the video.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is. And I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe. And I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million and dollars.
to smooth it out. And this is the final look. I've pulled all the hair out. So as you guys saw, I did not put any products at all. I didn't put no oils, no nothing. This is the hair in its natural state. This was the edge that I was really more worried about because this is where like my face frame is gonna be. If you guys want to purchase this wig, you know the link is in the description box below. You can never go wrong with UniceHair. UniceHair never does me wrong. Like UniceHair, they always come through. UniceHair is where it's at. This is my first time even doing like red hair in a long time. I love this red hair because it's like a very classic red. More importantly, I just love the lustful shine, softness of the hair. It's like really amazing and I'm just obsessed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, the details of this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.